Did you know you can create stunning videos with VEO absolutely free? No credit card required. That's right. Check out these awesome sample videos made using this fantastic method.
Wanna level up? Yeah, let me tell ya. Learn AI magic now, I feel much cleverer. Click that.
If you want to learn AI and how to use it effectively, subscribe to Big Wiz Media. They're the best.
Subscribe to Big Wiz Media and let's change the game together.
Alright, so in this video, I would like to show you how to use VEO 3 daily basis without spending any credit. Okay, so let me show you the credit I have on this account. I'm having 520 AI credit. Okay, so let me refresh it so that you believe what I'm saying. Alright, so this is the credit I'm left with, 520 AI credit, and I'm going to show you how to actually generate videos with VEO 3 without spending those credits. Because once this credit got exhausted, I'll not be able to create content unless the month is due. All right, I'm having 1 year, 12 months of VEO 3. All right, so let's do it. So you come to your Google and search for Google VEO. This one, Google VEO. Okay, and you click on this one, the first search result, and you have to click on sign in to VEO. All right, I'll select the account that I have the VEO 3 on. So I'll select the first one. Okay. Just so you know, you can't be using phone to access it, all right? So I have to turn this on, desktop site. All right. And I'll close this pop-up window. Okay. On my right-hand corner, I'll look for VEO. I'll click on this, VEO, like this, as you can see. And I will have to enter a prompt. Okay, I have to enter a prompt in here. Wait, I'll enter a prompt here. As you can see, VEO is selected over here. So I'll enter my prompt and I'll click on create. Okay, so our video will start generating. What's that in English? Okay, so the video is done generating here. Now let's see if I was charged any credit before I show you how to download it. Okay, let me refresh the page to see if I was charged any credit. Then I'll show you how to download that. Okay, that is it. You see, I still have my credits intact. Had it been like I created it in Flow, I would have been charged 20 credit or 100 credit, depending on the quality I'll select. So let me show you how to actually download this. Okay, so to download it, you just have to click on share over here. Then you click on expect to drive here to start. Okay, to be like this, click on open. All right, to open a new tab like this, and then your video will start processing. Okay, like this. You just have to click on when it's done processing, you click on these 3 dots here. Then you click on download and to start downloading. So that's how easy it is to generate videos with VEO 3 without spending those credits. All right, see you in the next one.